Good day everyone. Welcome to Electric Car Showroom, where we showcase new line of electric vehicles and technologies coming from famous car manufacturers from around the world. Hi everyone, today we will be talking about the new 2021 Zero Motorcycle SRF and first look of the Zero Motorcycles 2021 lineup. Zero Motorcycles Inc., an American manufacturer of electric motorcycles which was formerly called Electricross, recently announced the 2021 Zero SRF as one of the top models that Zero Motorcycles offers for their 2021 lineup, a naked version of its SR South full-fairing street bike styled brother. This model has all the industry-leading features you would expect to find in a $21,000 EV motorcycle, making it the most expensive model that Zero currently offers. To put the capabilities of EV motorcycles into perspective, the 2020 Ducati Panigale V4 maxed-out Ferrari of the motorcycle world generates 91 pound-feet of torque. This year's Zero SRF produces a neck-snapping 140 pound-feet of torque. That's 35% more torque than the industry-leading gas-powered motorcycle. Where does all this power come from? 14.4 kilowatt-hours C-Force Li-ion batteries power the electric motor efficiently as possible to give riders a range of around 161 miles in the city and 99 miles on the highway after a 1.8-hour charge at a 6 kilowatts rapid charge station, 8.5-hour charge time with EV-SE cord and standard outlet. The American-built SRF also includes other features such as multiple ride modes, Bosch motorcycle stability control. This is probably good to have when riding a motorcycle that produces 140 pound-feet of torque at any RPM, and if you get the premium model, there are tons of extras like a full-color LCD display, cruise control, heated grips, and much more.